Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into a really fascinating question. What's the deal with Japan's incredible longevity? We're going to look at the wisdom from some of their top doctors to uncover a secret, one that doesn't come in a pill or a special drink, but is actually already built right into your own body. All right, let's get into it.
So, what is it really? Is it some kind of magic green tea, a specific diet? For years, people have been searching for that one special thing that explains why people in Japan tend to live longer, healthier lives. Well, it turns out the answer is actually a lot simpler and, honestly, way more powerful than we ever thought.
And this is where things get really interesting. See, we're always told to add more stuff to our lives, right? More supplements, more superfoods, more workouts. But the wisdom from these Japanese pioneers, it suggests the real power comes from turning on the amazing healing system you already have inside you.
Okay, let's talk about the science behind this, because this isn't just a nice idea. It's a core biological process. I mean, it's so important that the scientist who figured it out won a Nobel Prize for it. It's called autophagy. And believe it or not, it's your body's own master plan for staying young and healthy.
So what is autophagy? Well, the word literally means self-eating. But don't worry, it's a good thing. Think of it like your body's internal housekeeping crew. This process goes around, finds old, junky, damaged parts of your cells, and recycles them. It either uses them for energy or to build brand new healthy cells. It's basically the ultimate deep clean, all happening on a cellular level. So why should you care about this cellular cleanup crew? Because the benefits are absolutely massive. When autophagy is switched on and working right, your body can repair itself way more efficiently. It helps keep your weight in a healthy place, and, this is a big one, it clears out the gunk that can lead to serious diseases later on. It's all about keeping your cells strong, balanced, and resilient. And hey, don't just take my word for it. This quote is from Dr. Yoshinori Ohsumi himself, the guy who won the Nobel Prize for this stuff. When he says our cells literally cannot survive without it, well, that pretty much tells you everything. It shows you just how critical this self-cleaning process is for our health and our longevity. Okay, so we get it. Autophagy is a big deal. The million-dollar question now is, how do we actually turn it on? How do we activate this incredible self-healing mode? Well, the research from Japan's leading doctors points to 3 simple but really powerful keys.
All right, key number 1.
The single biggest trigger is all about timing. Dr. Ohsumi's research found that when we give our bodies a break from eating, through periods of fasting, our cells get a signal. They can't get energy from food, so they start looking inward for fuel. And that's the moment autophagy really kicks into high gear. It's not about starving yourself, not at all. It's about creating a smart window of time for your body to do its cleanup work. And that brings us right to the second key, which is all about what you eat when you do eat. This is where the amazing work of a doctor named Hiromi Shinya comes in. He was a huge believer in the link between a healthy gut and preventing disease. His advice? Eat a diet that's packed with enzymes, which are found in fresh, whole foods. Think of enzymes as the little sparks that make everything in your body work better. His whole philosophy is pretty straightforward. You focus on things like enzyme-rich foods to keep your gut healthy. And what does that do? Well, it gives your body the tools it needs to fight back against cellular damage and ultimately against disease. You're basically supporting the whole system from the inside out, which makes that whole autophagy process even more powerful. Which leads us straight into our third and final key. And that third key is about listening to the chorus, not just one voice. The real power here is that so many of Japan's most respected experts all say the same thing. You've got legends like Dr. Shigeaki Hinohara and Dr. Yumi Ishihara, and they are all champions of these same core ideas. Give your body time to rest and repair, and fuel it with real, natural foods. So, let's bring this all together. What does this all mean for you right now? Let's distill all this amazing science into a simple action plan. And this isn't about some crazy, life-altering change. It's really just about a few smart, simple shifts you can start making today. Here it is, plain and simple. Step 1, let your body rest. Just build in some time where you're not eating so that autophagy can get to work. Step 2, fuel your body right. When you do eat, choose those fresh, enzyme-rich foods that make your gut happy. And finally, step 3, and this might be the most important part, trust your body. It has this incredible built-in intelligence to heal itself. Your job is just to create the right environment for it to do its thing. So, in the end, the biggest secret to longevity It isn't really a secret at all. It's not something you have to go out and buy or search for. It's a powerful, self-healing blueprint that's been inside you this whole time. The wisdom from these incredible doctors just gives us the instruction manual. So, the only real question left is, are you ready to use it?